The Maruti Fronx, a car you see just about everywhere in India, just became Maruti Suzuki's fastest model to hit 2 lakh exports globally in just 38 months. But what hidden design and engineering choices truly make this Indian SUV coupe a worldwide sensation? And what does that mean for your Fronx? Now, Maruti Suzuki has a phenomenal export history. Remember the Alto, the Swift, the Baleno? They've all been global success stories. But the Fronx, launched here in India in April 2023, started shipping out internationally just 3 months later, in July 2023. It wasn't just going to neighboring markets either. We're talking Latin America, the Middle East, Africa, and even parts of Europe and Japan, where it's sometimes sold as the Starlet Cross by Toyota. To hit 2 lakh units exported in such a short time, while also being a massive hit here at home, is frankly mind-boggling. This isn't just about Indian engineering meeting global standards. It's about setting them, especially for compact, fuel-efficient crossovers. Let's talk about the numbers that actually matter to you, the Indian buyer. The Fronx offers 2 petrol engine options. First, the proven 1.2-liter K-Series DualJet, delivering 90 horsepower and 113 Nm, mated to a 5-speed manual, or AMT. This setup gives you a fantastic real-world mileage of around 16 to 18 kmpl in the city, and easily over 20 kmpl on the highway. Then there's the exciting 1.0-liter Boosterjet turbo petrol, pushing out 100 horsepower and 148 Nm, available with a 5-speed manual or a slick 6-speed torque converter automatic. This turbo engine is surprisingly efficient too, giving you a strong 15 to 17 kmpl in urban cycles and pushing past 19 to 20 kmpl on the open road. Boot space? A practical 308 liters, perfect for weekend trips or airport runs. And that crucial ground clearance for our Indian roads? A healthy 190 millimeters, so those unexpected speed breakers won't scrape your undercarriage. Let's break down the money. You're looking at a starting ex-showroom price of 7.51 Indian rupees lakh for the entry-level Fronx Sigma 1.2 LMT. If you're eyeing a popular mid-variant like the Fronx Zeta 1.2 L AMT, that's 9.28 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. For an on-road estimate in a city like Bangalore or Mumbai, you're looking at roughly 10.45 Indian rupees lakh after RTO, insurance, and other charges. Now for the EMI. If you take an 85% loan, which is 8.89 Indian rupees lakh, at 8.5% interest over 60 months, your monthly EMI would be approximately 18,225 Indian rupees. And what about running costs? With petrol averaging 100 Indian rupees per liter and your Fronx 1.2 L delivering about 17 kmpl on average, you're looking at around 5.88 Indian rupees per kilometer. That's highly competitive. The waiting period? Typically a manageable 2 to 4 weeks for most popular variants. How does it stack up against rivals? Let's take that Fronx Zeta 1.2 L AMT at 9.28 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Its big brother, the Maruti Brezza V-Shi 1.5 L is priced at 11.10 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. That's a significant 1.82 Indian rupees lakh difference. The Brezza gives you a more traditional SUV stance and a larger engine, but the Fronx is nimbler, more fuel-efficient, and substantially cheaper for an automatic. Then there's the Hyundai Venue SX Opt 1.2L CVT, priced at 11.58 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Here, the Fronx 1.2L AMT is a massive 2.30 Indian rupees lakh cheaper for a similarly equipped automatic, offering comparable features and a distinct coupe SUV style that the Venue doesn't quite match. The Fronx absolutely nails the value proposition without compromising on style or efficiency. Now, for the hidden details, the stuff other reviewers often miss. You know why the Fronx is such a global phenomenon? It's not just a hard-tech platform, which is already known for being lightweight and rigid. The true engineering secret, the thing that makes you say, "I had no idea," is how Suzuki, from the very inception, designed the Fronx for incredible manufacturing adaptability across diverse markets. They didn't just build it for India and then export it. The design incorporates specific structure.